Go.
Hello viewers, welcome back. As you can see the lights, yes, it's the festival of light, Diwali. The festival of crackers, sweets and lots of love. Every people has a different way to celebrate this, as do I. So today I would like to show you how I celebrate this festival, and if you like this, do try to celebrate this festival in the same way. Hello friends, so as I told you that today we are going to
Fresh fries.
Best Price.
Charity, we can say.
Yeah, we are just collecting some charity with our friends, and as per I have told you regarding the speech that we will be going to Pingalwada. It's an orphanage.
Come
So
here.
right now we are standing outside the Best Price, as you can see the logo over there, and we have just contributed some amount of money, and we will be
That's the
purchasing.
most-
Yeah, and
those who are
also
needy.
along, I am not alone over here. I have got a couple of friends with me, and
Here, Rajdeep. Rajdeep.
say here. These are my friends, and we will be vlogging it along with my friends. So let's get started and let's get the stuff that we will be purchasing today. So friends, we are in, and yeah, you can see the mall. It's just amazing. You can see it's like just transforming a cold storage into a shopping complex. You can see it's just a huge and marvelous, and we have just shopped a few amounts, like we have purchased pens, copies and all, and now we are just moving on to purchase some soups and juices and all. So we will be just seeing and all the products we are facing over here. You can see the decoration over there. Yeah, those. Yeah, let me show you when I get close to it. So just that's crazy. It's just awesome. So friends, now we are done up with the purchasing of all the stuff, and you can just check out whatever we have just purchased, and just get a look of it. And about, it's just a home stuff, and you can see the drinks over here, chips, pencils, biscuits, and yeah, chocolates too, and all the fruits, clothing item. We all just took it out from home. So friends, we have finally reached Pingalwada, and as you can see, just we are a few meters away from here, and you can see the board over there. Just I will be moving that. Yeah, that's the board. Is written in Punjabi, and here's the entrance of the. See, there is the entrance of.
It's the first branch of the Pingalwada constructed by Bhagat Puran Singh.
And now let's get in. So friends, we have reached, and you can see the beauty over this place, the ground. Retired people are over here, as you can see. Sat Shri Akal. हाँ जी भाई ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ हाँ जी जरूर जरूर
Bye bye.
You can just. It's easy to see them, but it's difficult to see how they're living. So, please. They feel so good whenever the people come over here. So friends, this is a school at the Pingalwada. Today it's off because of the holiday, and tomorrow it's Diwali. So the previously we went to the ward at where the retarded and mentally people were there. So whenever someone come, they just feel so good. I think you can see the smile, the happiness into their eyes.
ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਖੁਰਾਕ ਚੰਗੀ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਹੀਂ ਕਈ ਕੁਛ ਹੈ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਥਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਹਾਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਦਾ ਫਲ ਹੈ ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਬਹੁਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਕਰਮ ਚੰਗੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ
ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਆਂਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਫੇਰ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ
So friends, now today we are done up with our day and we have been orphanage. So it was
quite a memorable day.
yeah, indeed it was.
I think it was my one of the best Diwali I have ever had.
So I would like to request you, instead of just wasting thousands of rupees in
On
purchasing
crackers,
crackers, and you must just donate some amount to these places heading back. So it was a quite
And,
impressive
money-
day.
I don't think so. Money can't buy anything.
So
There are many people who have money in billions. I think millions or billions, but they are
still they are over here.
in an orphanage.
We just talked to many old ages persons. They told our son is at California, some at Australia. They are sending the money. They are sending money in dollars to us, but they don't have the love
They
they
don't
used to
have the
get.
time for their parents. I don't think so that these kind of children should be loved or should be taken care.
So thank you. So friends, today the day was really awesome. I just went to Pingalwada and I just got a blessing from all the people around there. It was just a great day for me. I just liked them. Those people have money, but they don't have love. I just want you to please come to this place to spend your time with them. They need love, not money. Thank you friends. I hope you like this video. Comment down in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.